Hey everybody, it's Chris Holdred, and I'm going to show you the single easiest way to improve your YouTube channel. So hang tight and check out this video and I will show you how I do it. Hey everybody, consider subscribing by clicking on the link in the description for tips, information, and reviews for YouTube, gaming, woodworking, photography, videography, travel, and a whole lot more. Alright guys, so you've all taken a look at my descriptions. You've seen that I've been advertising for Tubebuddy. And here's the reasons why. It really makes life a lot easier. Once you get logged in and set up your account, just some of the very basics on why it's valuable and worthwhile is you can go ahead and you can launch the launch pad, and it will go ahead and here we go. It gives you the opportunity to process your videos. You can select a video, and let's see here. There it goes. We'll pull up my travel Texas video that I just posted, and we can run an upload checklist, run the best practices audit, find growth opportunities. That one's actually going to be a star or higher on that one, on the paid subscription. But we'll hit the process. And the beauty of this is here it will come up and it'll give me all kinds of information as to how to make my life easier. And I will never complain about it. Okay, so now it comes up with a checklist. You know, write a compelling topic, compelling title. I think mine's pretty decent. We'll go ahead and click that as complete, and it just slowly runs us through the checklist of all the things that we really need to be doing. Enter a complete description. Let's see. So we got the first one done. We'll enter. Click on enter the description. That's complete, and it runs you through all the reminders and gives you some nice little points as to what you want to get done. Create a custom thumbnail, monetize, you know, add info cards, all that good stuff. Now that's the website itself. Now what makes things even easier, let's go ahead and head over to YouTube itself. Alright, now once you're on your YouTube channel, you can click on the edit, and this is where you guys are going to see a big difference. It gives you a whole lot more information over here, and it'll take it just a minute to load everything up. Once you're signed in, some of the really valuable things that I find with this is it gives you the opportunity to create your own custom thumbnail, and then the tag generator is absolutely fantastic. Tells you where your tags rank for the different searches, and then you can come down here and just click on various tags that they suggest for you, and you can crank through that and get a lot of great information on there. It also gives you the best practices over here on the right hand side, and suggestions on other things you can do to make your individual video even better. So that's just a really quick rundown, guys. I highly suggest it. It's absolutely worth it. I've got my link for my affiliate in the description, so click on it, check it out, guys. Case scenario,